This is the first time I'm walking through the new tunnel. They built this. This is a highway that they built under our airport. Yes, so now we're gonna walk under the airport. And then down there, which I cannot show you right now, down there is the way the cars has to pass. I don't know if you can see it. And we're gonna go in through the tunnel, which is for the pedestrians. It's my first time I'm gonna walk here, and that's my child complaining because we were gonna go to Eastern Beach. We were gonna go to Eastern Beach, but then we changed because it's too windy and the water's freezing. So we're gonna go to the Western Beach, which is just across the airport. And before the airport had to stop the whole traffic of Gibraltar every time a plane landed. And you can imagine anyway, that's also the border with Spain. So everybody who came from Spain into Gibraltar has to cross a runway. And then after on days that you get queues on the border, and then a plane comes in, the traffic had to stop. So you can imagine all the traffic, it stopped the whole traffic in Gibraltar. And we will get like traffic of 1 hour here in Gib. So they decided to build this tunnel where the cars passes under the airport, and that way we don't have to stop the traffic every time a plane comes in. And this is my first time walking it. There in front is my daughter complaining and nagging because she loves it. Yeah. Oi, look, at least they put tiles here in the tunnel, mira. I've never seen a tunnel with tiles. Yeah. Oh no, maybe you see here what's a clown? It. Now it is gonna come out around the corner, Joy, be careful. Be careful with it. Yeah, you're walking. Oh, a cockroach. There. A dead cockroach. Look how beautiful. Yeah. Now I know I'm not gonna walk in here in the night time. Yeah. Yes, an emergency you can call. This umbrella actually to walk alone at night must be a bit creepy.
Bicycle coming.
Yeah. And this part is for the bicycle. It's a cyclist. Yeah.
That's the loudest bicycle I've ever heard.
Joy, you're gonna say something to your friend Morgan? Well, a shout out to Jack Rose and to Morgan. He's my number one fan.
Mama, Jack Rose is all of them. You have to say Jack Rose.
Thank you for following me. By the way, we watch your videos too. Oh, we're coming up now.
I'm the one that wants you with you.
Yeah.
Sitting with you. The funny.
Yeah, they're funny and random.
You know what's
So
funny?
yes, a shout out to my favorite fan, my fan number one, no?
Yeah.
Morgan. Morgan what? Matani. Morgan Matani. We're coming out of the tunnel now. It's been quite a walk actually, but at least the good thing is that we don't have to walk in the sun. Yeah, especially when I'm pulling off the trolley with all the goodies for the beach. So, yeah. Very bien. Wait, what do you say, Joy? Hi, Morgan. Joy. Oh, we can see the sunshine. The sun is shining.
I go down there, I'm gonna be sweating more than
Ooh. Ah, what's up? The fair, no? Ah,
no.
see the Spanish fair. Yes, Joy, that there is Spain. We're in the border now. Just outside the... Oh, she can tell. She thinks that's a crane, ¿vale? Because Gibraltar is full of cranes everywhere because it's... Gibraltar right now is a construction site. There's new buildings being built all around Gibraltar and hotels and everything. And this there is La Línea on the Spanish side, and that's the fair. They're preparing the rides there. They do it every year, and it starts on the 16th of July every year. You see, that's the runway there, and literally I've come through under the runway to the left, right under. They've done the bridge, which is this one. I've walked under the bridge. And this is the way the traffic goes. And if you can see, the cars go through that way, down under the runway. And that's La Línea Fair. And we're going that way because we're going to the beach. Just arrived to the beach. This is a little beach. It's put it in there in the Geneva. This beach used to belong to the regiment, to the Gibraltar regiment, but now it's for the locals. It's a little quiet beach.
Now it's quite late, it's not.
Yeah. Are you happy, Joy? We arrived.
No.
We are here enjoying the day in the beach. We like it because there's barely anybody in the beach. We have the beach for ourselves. And we're waiting for Luna and Denise to join us. No? We're gonna go now to the store, get some food. We've been in the water's really nice. And this is how we're gonna spend the day. So Joy's hiding from the camera. And you couldn't see, no?
Yeah, Boris is out there.
You know, I don't have my glasses on. Well, remember to like and subscribe. I hope you're enjoying your summer. I love you all. God bless and goodbye.